You're listening to NOAA Weather Radio. Station KHA 53 in Rochester. This station is broadcast for the Rochester area, originating from a weather forecasting office in Buffalo, New York. KHA 53 operates on a frequency of 162.400 MHz. This broadcast serves as your source for weather information for the Western Finger Lakes and the Genesee Valley. The station also serves the following counties: Cayuga, Genesee, Livingston, Monroe, Ontario, Orleans, Sepulveda, Wayne, Wyoming, and Yates. KHA 53 also serves the adjacent coastal waters in Lake Ontario. Here is the hazardous weather outlook for the Rochester metropolitan area. Day 1. Today and tonight. Please listen to NOAA Weather Radio or go to weather.gov on the internet for more information about the following hazards. Days 2 to 4. Friday through Sunday. Winter storm warning in effect from Friday. Timing, 8 p.m. Friday night to Saturday morning. The probability of severe winter weather is at high risk, at 100%. A storm system is detected 29 miles southeast from Ithaca, New York. A severe winter weather is expected this evening through midnight. Whiteout conditions are expected through Saturday and Sunday, which will potentially create hazardous driving conditions to motorists. Days 5 to 7. Monday to Tuesday. Blizzard warning in effect until 10 this Tuesday evening. There is a marginal risk of severe winter thunderstorms with damaging winds in excess of over 35 to 40 miles per hour are expected in the eastern Rochester area, and to downtown Rochester. Snowfall amounts are estimated to be 20 to 45 centimeters. Whiteout conditions in the blizzard are expected, creating an extremely hazardous driving conditions. Travel is discouraged in this time period. Spotter information statement. Weather spotters are encouraged to relay wind damage reports to the National Weather Service in Buffalo through Friday to Monday. Spotter activation is needed through Friday to Monday.
The National Weather Service in Buffalo has issued a winter storm warning for Eastern Orleans County, Monroe County, Ontario County, Genesee County, Livingston County, Wayne County, Seneca County, and Yates County. The winter storm watch is no longer in effect. The National Weather Service has detected a line of severe winter storms capable of producing heavy snow and damaging winds of over 30 to 40 miles per hour, with gusts in excess of 50 to 60 miles per hour. The storm system is detected 7 miles southeast from Ithaca, moving over 15 to 30 miles per hour. Snowfalls of over 10 to 18 inches are expected in the southern areas of Seneca, Ontario, and all of Yates County, while snowfalls of over 7 to 10 inches of snow, with sleet and ice accumulations of 0.5 to 1 millimeters are expected in Livingston, Genesee, Orleans, Monroe, and Wayne counties. Possible damaging winds of over 30 to 40 miles per hour can produce severe infrastructural and tree damage. Power outages are also expected. Hazardous travel conditions are expected from Friday evening and midnight to Tuesday afternoon, so all motorists are advised not to travel on the roads during the onset of this winter storm. A winter storm warning is issued when an average accumulation of 6 or more inches of snow is expected in the 12-hour period, or 8 or more inches of snow are expected in the 24-hour period. Travel will be slow on well-treated surfaces, and will be difficult or hazardous on unplowed or untreated surfaces. Please stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, or visit the National Weather Service at weather.gov, and continue to monitor local radio or television, to keep you updated with the latest information and to take emergency action if necessary.